Hi everyone, welcome to ITS workshop. So we are doing sorting operation with collection objects. So we can perform sorting very easily. Collection.sort method is available and you can use that method with your string, with your some wrapper class like integers, and it can be performed. So what happens if we have our own object? If we are creating some object like a student class or books class. So in last video we saw how to create some simple POJO. It has some variables: title, category, writer, price, and this is constructor for it, some getters and setters, and then toString method. So in our test class, I'm creating one array list, that is book list, and book list is taking books type, and then I'm creating 3 books object. So just initializing these with these values: book 1, myself is writer, and category, and that price. Then this book list just empty list, and I'm adding this book object to my list. Now I just want to print out my book list. I can easily print out. Then I want to perform same sort operation like we were using with normal array list, but in this case it is showing some error and I want to print out again. So let us check what's the error. So the error is, it says that sort method should use something which is using comparable interface. So there are 2 versions of sort. If you check this sort, collections.sort, collections.sort, if you see, so there are 2 versions of sort. First version is simply taking list, and second version is taking list and comparator. So if we want to use sort for this, then we can perform sorting very easily with the normal type. But what about a type which we are using, like book type, something written by us, that kind of object? So then it will show you some error that it is expecting something comparable. So now we are feeling that we need to use our class, our book class should implement some interface, comparable interface. Let us see what is comparable interface. Comparable interface is already used by collections.sort method and java.utility arrays.sort method in order to list and arrays of object. So what we can do with comparable interface, class must implement a single method comparTo. So we are implementing comparable interface. It means it should implement one method, comparTo method, and comparTo method will return integer. So it will return integer, and what we are doing here is this dot object, the object which we are comparing, is again using comparTo call with another object which we are comparing. So our object, and we are passing another object, and both are getting compared, whether it is smaller or equal or positive. So comparTo method returns an int with the following characteristic. If it is returning negative, it means this dot object is less than another object. It means whatever object, current object we are having, that is less than another object. If it is returning 0, it means both are equal, and if it is returning positive, it means this object, our current object, is greater than the object which we are passing. So this is just a theoretical introduction about comparTo. Let us see what in real life how we are using it. So this is our book class, and I'll just say implements comparable. and then you need to specify type. So our type is books. Fine. Now it says that add unimplemented method. So I'll say add unimplemented method. So this is the method which is coming after selecting. I'll just save it. Now you can see the structure of this method: public int comparTo, and it is accepting books arg0, or you can just say a simple object. I'll say other book. I'm just renaming it, and so it is expecting integer return and comparTo method. Now what we want to compare to, we can have comparison according to name, according to title, category, writer, price. So what we would like to, I think I would like to go with the first one, title. So let us take title. So return this dot, now get title. This dot get title should be comparTo. We are using comparTo again, and because we know that string can be easily compared using sort method, so string itself defines this comparTo method, so we don't need to do anything. We are just taking that string. This dot title is returning string, and that string has also this comparTo method which is expecting another string, and it will return integer. So this is same. I would like to use this, and then we can say what is being passed by us, that is other book. So other book dot other book is also same book object, and I can say get title. So this dot get title is being compared because this is a string, so it can use comparTo method again. String has got comparTo method, and this is being compared with other book. I'll just save it, and now you see that error is gone. And let me change these values so that it looks like if it is comparing or not. 66, and let me say 12 and 33. So we have 3 books, and I'm printing before sorting and I'm printing after sorting. Let us run this program and check the output. Test class, and let's right click, run as Java application. So you can see here, first it was giving 66, and then 12, and then you can see 33. But after sorting the second line, the first one is book 12, and then book 33, and book 66. So this is simple string. All name are starting with book, so no problem. But if you give 12, 33, 66, it is getting compared accordingly. So it is performing this sorting operation. So that's how we use comparTo object, comparTo method, and comparTo method is available in comparable interface. Now what will happen if you want to sort according to price? Can we do that? Let us check in next video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you.